Hi friends, and welcome to day 2 of introductions for Mama Elephant's November 2025 release. Today we are introducing Boy Band and its coordinating creative cuts. We are also introducing the Marquee Numbers creative cuts. For today's video, I unfortunately didn't have the preparation time to color all the images beforehand. Therefore, I'm only showing you the coloring for the image that I will be using for my card today. I wanted to show you how you can use these images to create any band or artist you want to create a card for. I am a huge fan of the rock band Ghost, so that was my first choice when receiving this stamp set. I used a reference picture from the internet to just add in some details that will make the singer especially recognizable. For most of this image, I will be using my C00 all the way through C8 Copic colors. There is a lot of black, but still I wanted to create at least some contrast in my image. In a minute, I will be skipping ahead in the coloring for this video because otherwise it will be too long, but rest assured that I colored the rest of the black in a similar fashion that I did the hair. Now it's time to add in the face paint that this singer wears. I'll be using purples and pinks for the background of my card, and that will resemble the lighting that is used on stage. Therefore, I wanted to add in just a pop of color with some pinks and purples that will reflect the light on the clothing of the singer. Finally, I add in some white gel pen accents. And that finishes the coloring for today. Now let's create a background. I'm dividing my background into 3 separate parts. The black part is where the people will be standing, so that is the front of the stage. Then I will be coloring the stage itself in a bright purple color. And finally, I will be adding the lighting in the background. I'm using a bunch of different Distress Oxide inks for this, and I'll list them in the description below. I started by adding a very light layer of milled lavender Distress Oxide ink to the top before starting to add in some shadows with this shaded lilac color. As I did in yesterday's video, I'm using this Raise the Roof stencil from Heffy Doodle to create some lighting. I'm putting down my purples first, before I will be repositioning this stencil slightly and adding in the pink colors. And that finishes my background. To create my sentiment, I'm using the Marquee numbers as well as the Marquee letters to spell out the word ghost. I'm using the heart die that is included in the Marquee numbers set. I lined the back of my letters and my heart with some bright yellow paper. Next, I used a stamp set that has separate letters to create this If You Have. This also matches a song by the band, which is called If You Have Ghost, and they finish that sentence with If you have ghost, you have everything. And I thought it would be very appropriate when creating a card like this for myself. Lastly, I'm adding this string of concert goers. This die is included in a set that I will be introducing tomorrow. And that finishes my card for today. I'd love to see what bands and what artists you create with this set. For now, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment below for a chance to win a prize from Mama Elephant. And I will see you tomorrow for the third day of introductions. Bye!